What's going on, you guys? Shiraz Ahmed here, and in this video we're going to show you 5 designer handbags that you can buy that hold their value extremely well, or are actually known to even increase in price, usually due to high demand and scarce supply over time. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, you guys. So today we're gonna be doing something a little bit differently and hopefully a bit more fun. We're gonna be talking about some alternative investments. And no, I'm not talking about Bitcoin or Doge or Shiba. Now, generally speaking, things that people buy or enjoy are usually considered depreciating assets. You can't sell last year's iPad, for example, for more than you paid for it. No one will typically buy that. There are, however, a few exceptions to this rule if you know what to look out for. So, ladies and gents, next time someone tells you or shows you the Robinhood or Coinbase account, you can tell them that you have an even better performing investment on your arm right now. At number 5, we have the well-loved and well-known Louis Vuitton Neverfull. This is one of the most popular bags around, despite the fact it actually generally being considered as an entry-level product in the world of designer handbags. It consistently holds at least 85% of its retail value. Special designs and additions and collaborations can actually bring that number well over 100%. At number 4, we have a similar bag from Goyard. Goyard, while not as well known as Louis Vuitton, is a very old French fashion house. One interesting thing to note about Goyard is that it actually doesn't participate in online retail. I know it's 2021, right? This means that you have to live in or travel to a major city in which they have one of their stores, or else perhaps shop on the resale market. This actually might be one of the reasons that it retains its prices so well, especially when considering that the quality has actually been consistently being reduced over time. Goyard, for instance, you should actually have French artisans hand paint designs into every bag, and this is no longer being done. However, the bags can still sell for well over 30% over retail pricing online. Now, the Chanel Big Boy bag comes in at number 3 on the list. Chanel bags are well known for holding their value. I believe some of the reason for this is the fact that Chanel consistently increases their prices, especially on its flagship designs. Chanel has also never had any sales, meaning that their prices tend to only go in one direction, which is up. Now, this particular model is relatively new, only being introduced about 6 or 7 years ago. This may be one to watch, depending on how trends are continued, and if it increases in popularity, this could become a future classic. Now, the second best bag for investment purposes is going to be the Chanel Classic Flap Bag. This bag was introduced in 1955 with a revolutionary feature at the time, a strap. These bags not only beat out inflation, probably thanks to Chanel's ever-increasing prices, but some of them have even sold for double or even triple their original selling prices. Unfortunately, despite increasing the price of this bag several times for thousands of dollars, the quality is also dropping. Gold hardware is now just gold-plated, for instance. And if this trend continues, we could actually even see older bags appreciating in value even further. Now, the number 1 best bag to own from an investment perspective, if you know your handbags and purses, you probably have been waiting to hear this brand name, the Hermes Birkin, one of the most sought after bags in today's market. This bag retails in price range from $9,000 to well over $150,000, depending on the material and the hardware that's chosen. The black Birkin with the gold hardware is considered to be the holy grail of bags and is surely worth more to collectors than you'd pay for it. And of course, that's all if you can even get one in the first place. A large part of the high price is this artificial scarcity. Hermes only releases a small number of its bags every year, and the waiting list can actually be years long. How long you wait depends on a bunch of factors like luck, of course, the amount that you spend at Hermes over a period of time as a customer, and let's not forget your relationship with a sales associate at the store. Resale prices on this bag have gone as high as $233,000. And currently, the value of a Birkin is increasing at about 14.2% per year, which actually beats out historical return of the stock market. That's a remarkably crazy stat. So as you can see, there are actually a few designer items out there that you can enjoy while retaining their value. If you know what to look for and you're patient and you know the market, you might actually be able to make a little bit of money too. Now, I hope that you've appreciated the content that I've created so far. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. I'll also put my contact info at the end of this video. So if you have any questions about anything at all, or you have other topic ideas, please feel free to drop me a line. Until next time, please stay safe out there, you guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.